How you doing, YouTubers? I am on my way up the river, walking upstream today. Not fishing, actually at all. Just out for some exercise. I'll walk the river a little bit. Here in a second, I'll just be on some whitewater, so I'll get some pictures of the whitewater for you. It's something for y'all to look at. It's something different, you know. Something that's not me not catching fish. At least this way I'm not catching fish without a pole. I'll be back. There's something on the side of the road there that I just found. The Centennial Bridge here. A lot of stuff to read there. You're gonna have to pause this to read all this. Pause. Pause. Now that is cool. The Centennial Bridge, built in 1987. You know, walk through this fucker. This right here is cool. This is awesome. Just for shits and giggles, there's the water down below. The water down below. That ain't a beautiful picture. If that ain't a beautiful picture, I don't know what is. This is my first walk through the bridge. Never took the time to come do it. So now I have. And I'll say it again, you know, if you want to read it, just pause it. Yeah, just pause it. People are staring at me, just pause it. Eugene, Oregon, and Springfield, Oregon. Texas, eat your heart out.